Okay, so I just wanted to pop on stories real quick to talk about my little like routine before leaving the house nowadays, since we have to wear the mask. I have only been doing my eyes and eyebrows. Um, I don't like to wear foundation with the mask. I feel like dirty, or like it gets, I don't know, just feels gross after. So I've only been doing my eyes and eyebrows. And I start by using the soft brown brow powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been using this for a really long time, so that's nothing new. And then I have been using it a little differently. I've been putting it as like a wing with the same brush that I use for my brows. Just kind of like angling that and creating like a little wing, if you can see it. And then I've been using the Lash Blast CoverGirl Volume Mascara, which I've literally been using since like I was putting on mascara. So this is definitely a staple for me. But I recently found this Almay brow styler, and I'll show you what it looks like. It kind of looks like a mascara one, but it's for your brows. And it just like allows you to place your brows where you want them to lay. And it has color, so I like it because I have like some sparse ends sometimes, and it just allows you to like get that bushier, nice look. So I'll show you in the next video how I use this and me putting it on, because I didn't put this one on yet. Okay, so, and I forgot to mention in the last video that the color that I'm using is the light brown. I can't remember how many colors they had or what the range was, but I'm using the light brown one. You have to kind of have a light hand with this, and because it'll kind of like chunk up a little bit, but you can go back in with your regular brow brush that you used. See, like I just accidentally got it on my, of course I get it on my skin the one time I do that because I'm videoing, but as you can see, like this is what I was talking about with the sparse ends. I'm kind of very gently coloring and placing them where I want them to lay so that they don't look as sparse. I'm actually I'll just show you how I correct it so you know, but like for this, I'm kind of taking them and brushing them up where I want them. And then I have a Q-tip handy, and I'm just wiping what got on my skin. But yeah, so I don't know if the difference is big on camera, but this one has it, this one doesn't. And I've actually been using this too, like when I don't have powder on underneath, just quickly brushing it on to give me some color if I'm in a rush. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is the eye without it. Okay, so I went ahead and I put the brow styler on this eyebrow as well. So now they both have the Almay brow styler on them. And that would be it. Just these 3 products. That's my little routine that I've been doing. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you had a good weekend.